Okay, yesterday we have been created two tables, right? What are all the two tables which we have been created?
OnePlus mobile.
Hop computers.
Yes. Let's try to check this one. So we have been created this OnePlus table, right, at the last.
Yes.
So we need to check the ACLs. The one who haven't joined yesterday and joined today, you can drop off, bro. Waste of joining for today. So now we have 4 ACLs, right? What are all the 4 ACLs we are having? Create, read, write, delete.
Right.
So we have created 3 groups, right? Sys underscore, user underscore,
Group.list.
testing group, development group, administration group. These are all the 3 groups. Okay. ADT. Administration group members are having admin role. Development group having development role. Testing group, testing group. We have been selected 3 users, right? For administration group, we have selected Ashok. For development group, we have selected Pavitra, and testing group, we have selected Mirzan. Okay. Now, need not to have this one now. Open the OnePlus this thing. Read, write, create, delete. Yeah. Read will have access to all. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
All in the sense whom though? Does Able Tutor have the access of this particular OnePlus table?
No.
No. Why? Because Able Tutor is not a part of any of the group, right? That's why he will not have access to the group. And one more thing, see, listen very carefully. Impersonating to Able Tutor.
Huh?
If you go to the OnePlus, yeah, it is reflecting. If you click on this, what you are getting this? What is the
Security concern.
error message you are getting, ma?
Security concern prevent access to
Security constraints prevents access to requested page.
Yes.
Okay. Now, I want to restrict these modules as well, bro. These modules also should get reflected to only 3 groups only: admin, development, and testing group. How will you do that? Just in the impersonation. How will you do that, ma? Huh? Just click on this. There is a roles option over here, right?
Yes.
What I need to give here? Only 2-3 roles: admin role, administration role, development role, and testing role. And then finish. And then update. Finish. And then let's try to impersonate to Able Tutor again.
Searching for OnePlus.
Is it reflecting now?
No.
Why? Because Able Tutor is not a part of any
Role.
groups. Okay. Abdul, you are getting the point? So, bro, I'm asking multiple things, but they are thinking like I'm targeting them like that. This is not the school to target or something else. Okay. Just feel very very secure, bro. Why? Because this is your life solely, right? My way of teaching will be like that only. If someone else is not joining yesterday and joining today, that means waste of time, right?
Yeah.
You please try to join on daily basis, no? Sonia, have you joined yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Now you can see here, everything is fine now. Now, what my scenario is like, let's try to navigate to the OnePlus table. Now, if you're clicking on new, we are having these many fields: serial number, customer name, contact details, and all those things. Let's try to click on form layout. I will try to divide this one. Okay. Split and split. I want to issue description. Serial number, customer name, contact details, model type. rate of purchase and all these things. Okay, just try to save. So now out of all these things, I just want, there is a serial number and customer name, right? Serial number and all these things. So out of all these things, I just need a developer should have access to only these two fields, and admin people should have access to these fields, and testing people should have access to these fields. Okay. So before going to that, I just wanted to go to the ACLs and try to check how to create the new ACLs and all this. So yesterday as well we have been created. This new option is not getting reflected. What is the role required to access the ACLs, ma?
Security admin.
Security admin.
All right. You just need to click on OK. Now you can see here there is a new button over there now.
Yes.
Yeah. So there is a 1 plus, right? 1 plus. So we are having 4 right now. These are all the access which we are trying to give, right? Right. I mean, none ACLs. So basically, if you see here, there is a none. Okay.
Okay.
There are level of ACLs. These are known as what? 3 level of ACLs. What are the 3 level of ACL? None, star, and the fields. These are all the fields, right? Can you see this?
Yes.
None, star, and the all the fields. None
the
is
field.
nothing but table level access. What is known as? None is nothing but what?
Table level.
Default.
Table level access. Yeah, where it gone, bro? What are the 3 level of ACLs, ma?
None, star,
None, star,
fields.
None,
fields.
star, on the field or column. None represents the table level access.
Table level access.
Star represents the record level access. Field represents the column or restricting the column or fields. Okay. There is some noise. Can you please be on mute, Ashok? Abdul?
Yes,
So how many level of ACLs we are having?
3 level of ACLs we are having.
One is
None,
None, star,
star.
and field.
How to activate the how to activate the ACLs editing? And what is the role required to access the ACLs?
Security admin.
3
Security,
roles.
security admin. That is a superpower role in ServiceNow. Okay. Now you can see here, I have been activated the security admin role over here. Now what I said, this everything is finished. Just try to navigate to the 1 plus table now. Now if you see here, only these 2 fields needs to get reflected or edited to some of the users. Only these 3 fields needs to get edited to some of the users, and only these 2 fields need to get edited to some of the users. For this type of enhancements, what we need to do is like we need to create which type of ACLs, ma?
Field or column.
Field or column, correct. Field or column level ACLs. So before that, ma, I just wanted to understand, and we just I mean, in the data sources, we are having some of the only we have been discussed about only one thing, right? What is that? Only we have uploaded the Excel sheet. Yes or no?
Yes.
We have uploaded only Excel sheet, right?
Yes.
We will be having multiple things, right? I mean, we will be having multiple things actually. So we haven't done those things. Okay, tomorrow again I will be discussing about the data sources. Why? Because we are having multiple data types. I mean, Excel we are having, XML we are having, HTTP we are having. Okay, those things we have been forgotten, bro. So like, if you see here, see, we have been discussed only for the format of Excel. But we are having Excel, we are having XML, we are having CSV. CSV and Excel is same. The only I will teach you this one. XML I will teach you, and again I will be automating the thing. Automating in thing in the sense. So let's take for example, we are having this particular dev 248375 is there, right? So this is my instance. So let's take for example, this is my instance, and another instance is like I will take this. Another instance is Dev 111680. Okay, this is another instance. So my way of doing is like, if I want to move the data from one instance to other instance, how will you do that, bro? Export XML and import XML. Yes or no?
Yes.
If I want to move the data or not the update sets, data as well, you will move the export to XML and then import to XML. Yes or no?
Yes.
So in the same way, this time I don't want to do it in manual way, like exporting the data and importing over here. I don't want to do it manually. I want to do it in an automated way. Automated way in the sense, as soon as the record got created in Devel 1680, LG record created in Devel 1680, automatically without any user and user thing, without any user involvement, the record should get created over here. This is known as automation. Yes or no? There is if there is a manual intervention, then what we need to discuss, what we can understand, we need to understand that that has been done in manual way. If the record is created here, automatically the record should get created in the
Another instance.
other instance. That is an automated way. Without any user intervention is known as an automation. Yes or no? We
Yes.
can do this one actually. Okay, I will show you this one. We can do multiple things with ServiceNow, bro. Actually, okay, we need to perform this one. Okay, please try to remember me tomorrow. I will teach you this one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Rama.
Okay.
Yeah, done. This one, this one, this one. These three groups are done. Now try to go to our topic. Now you know, right? I mean, create for creation. Who else are having this creation? Only.
Development.
That means create in the sense create a new record. Okay, read. What about read? Read can have access to all those three, and write have access to only development as well as
Administration.
write. That means write in the sense what ma? Editing the records, editing the existing records, and create. You know that we are having two. So, let's try to create a new ACL now. Record operation. You need to edit or create or write. I mean, write. I will type. No need. Read. I will take. Okay. Read only. But name. What about the name? On which table you are trying to write?
OnePlus.
OnePlus. To which fields?
Read should be for all the fields, right?
No. That's what I'm restricting from now.
Okay.
Okay. Just try to go with the what about the table name?
Table.
Serial number and customer name should have access to only
Read.
serial number, save it. Out of this particular fields, let's try to take this and take the MS Paint. So if you see here, this fields to be reflected to only
The
some developers. Let's take developers. Okay, these three fields needs to get reflected to only admins,
Admin.
administrations. And these two fields needs to get reflected to only
Testing.
testing. No. No. Serial number to whom? Developers. That means what you need to add here?
developer.
Developer role. And click on OK. Just click on save. Okay. And customer name. Customer name
Developers.
as well to developers only. Just click on insert with roles so that it will create a new one. Before that, can you do one thing? Actually, we have 4 ACLs, right? Read, write, create, delete. Can I give access to all and then restrict with the help of these things? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Why? Because, however, the users doesn't have the right access to some of the records, right? Even if we are restricting with the help of this read access, that is waste of time, right? So just I will tell you, see what I was trying to say. ACLs, click on 1 plus 0 4 ACLs, right? Read, create, delete, creation as well. I'm trying to give it to all. Delete, it's okay. Delete ఉండొచ్చు పర్లేదు. Read to all, write to all. I'm closing all the reports. So customer name, serial number has been done. Customer name and serial number needs to get reflected to whom? Developers. Now
Developers.
we need to restrict model type, contact number and date of purchase. Okay.
Okay.
Administration report. And contact details. This is also same for administration people. So I'm just trying to click on insert with roles. So if you understand, bro, for this one you are trying to get the insert with roles option as a new one. Okay, why? Because if you click on only insert and stay, the role will not get captured, bro. It will be vanished. I will see. I will tell you. See, I will show you now. Data purchase, is that right? Data purchase. If you click on insert and stay, it will create a new record. That's fine. But this role will get vanished. This role you can't see now. See. See what happened? That role is there.
No.
Not there, right? That's why that they have been invented insert with roles only in ACLs. Okay, data purchase is fine. Now another one, issue description, right? Issue description to
Testing.
Testing.
testing. And short description. So you please try to do this one, bro. At the time of telling, it should be very easy. And if you try starting doing now, then it would be very difficult and you will get very confused of all these things. Okay, in interview as well, they will ask. Now, what you understood, bro? I mean, just now, just try to reload. Okay. Now, impersonating to which people? So developers. If I am impersonating to developers, all these fields will get reflected to developers or not? Huh? Hello?
Reflect, reflect the read for all.
No, ma. What about the fields, model type, contact details, data purchase, issue description, short description? What about these things? Will that get affected to developers as well? See, bro, listen carefully. నేనేమంటున్నా ఒకవేళ డెవలపర్స్ లాగిన్ చేస్తే ఈ అన్ని ఫీల్డ్స్ కి యాక్సెస్ ఉంటుందా ఉండదా?
ఉండదు, ఓన్లీ సీరియల్ నెంబర్, కస్టమర్ నేమ్.
అట్లా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. అక్కడ ఏముంది అక్కడ కాంప్లెక్సిటీ నాకు అర్థం కావట్లే. అబ్దుల్, ఆర్ యూ గెటింగ్ దిస్? మిర్జాన్?
Yes.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
I have restricted the field level. Okay, you're getting my point. In interview, they will definitely ask, bro. Wait, I will tell you where it is. So if you see here, see, for three level of ACLs we are having. One is what? None star in the column. Yes or no? If
Yes.
there is no none, if will he have access to column and field level access? What they will be asking the question is, so they will ask the question like this, bro. So basically, we are having an 1 plus table. Okay, I am not giving the none ACL to the user, but I am giving the field level ACL. Will that affect? You are getting my point. అంటే ఏమడతారంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నన్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ వాట్ బ్రో?
Table level access.
Table level access. Star is nothing but
Record level access.
and column is nothing but field level access.
Field.
So what I was trying to do, what the panel will say is, so we are having a table. The user doesn't have the none level access to that table, but he have access to the field.
Without
Will he have access to? I mean, will he have? Can he have access to the table now?
no, without
Correct. Without none, he can't access to
access.
fields.
Fields.
అసలు టేబుల్ యాక్సెస్ లేదు, అతనికి ఫీల్డ్ యాక్సెస్ ఇచ్చి ఏం చేస్తారు బ్రో? ఫస్ట్ అసలు పెద్ద ఐ మీన్ ఫస్ట్ హీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ యాక్సెస్ టు దిస్ వన్ ఓన్లీ. హౌ కెన్ హీ ఎంటర్ ఇన్ టు ద రూమ్స్ బ్రో? ఎస్ సార్ నో. ఫస్ట్ అసలు వాడికి టేబుల్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు బ్రో, మనోడు డైరెక్ట్ ఈ కీ ఇచ్చిండు, అసలు వీడికి ఈ కీ ఇవ్వలేదు, వెళ్తాడా ఇంట్లోకి అసలు?
No.
యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ మై పాయింట్
Yes.
మిర్జాం?
Yes, yes.
He is directly giving the field level access but not giving the main key. Will he have access to enter into it?
No.
No, he can't have. No. Okay, you got the question right. And one more thing they will ask. So I am not giving the none level ACL to the particular user, but I am giving the star level ACL. Will he have access to it?
No,
Why?
because there is no table level access.
How can he access that fields? Sorry, records. అసలు యాక్సెస్
Records.
లేదు ఆయనకి. కరెక్ట్ వా, వెరీ గుడ్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్. నౌ I am trying to log into. So now how many ACLs we have created right now? See, 11 ACLs we have created. These are all the none. Create, read, write, delete. These are all the none till here. Now this, see, create. We have done mistake, na? We are not changing this value, na? Okay, let's do one thing. Try to change it to read. On the top, we are not seeing the top. We just edited it and saving everything. Okay. Now Goma, it's okay. Now let's see. See, I will tell you the scenarios now as well. Just try to impersonate to whom? Developers. If I am impersonating with Ashok, what else will get reflected to him?
Model type, contact details, date of purchase.
Yeah, let's see. Model type, contact details. Another one, which one, ma?
Date of purchase.
Data purchase కనపడట్లేదండి. We need to debug it now. Debug will take time, abba. Okay, no, nothing will happen. Why? Because we can directly understand, right? We have been created one ACL. Have we restricted with that? Which one is that one, ma? Which field is that?
Date of purchase.
Date of
Have we
purchase.
created it? Data purchase. Yeah, we are having the data purchase, but having testing. We need to check which has been assigned to it. Testing role. Okay, admin కదా బ్రో మనం ఇచ్చే
Admin.
అడ్మిన్ కి ఇవ్వాలి అది. యా, అర్థమైందా అట్లా. Try to again impersonate to whom? Ashoka. More. That. So you can see here model type, contact details, and date of purchase is getting reflected to Ashoka. If I'm impersonated to testers, then
Issue
Issue
description.
description, short description.
Who is the tester?
Mirzan.
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 Let's take Mirzan. You are just keeping all the barricades. What happened?
Issue description, short description.
That means indirectly what you understand, ma? How many ways you can make a field hidden? How many ways you can make a field hidden? Tell me.
Three.
First way is what you know till now. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పలేదు అనుకో ఏమంటే క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ చేసేస్తా.
UI policies.
కరెక్ట్. వెరీ గుడ్ అమ్మా. థ్యాంక్ గాడ్. EY policies. Second way.
ACLs.
Easy.
Third way, client script. We haven't written still to client scripts
Yeah.
actually. When you
Okay.
when we are trying to start the scripting part, అప్పుడు అసలు క్లియర్ అసలు డెవలపర్స్ అంటే ఏంటనేది అప్పుడు అర్థం తెలుస్తుంది బ్రో మనకి. At that time we will understand. You need to have your 100% brain over there. Okay. You will be having some things, right? 100% IQ. Now this time you should not make hard work, okay? You should make some smart work when script starts. Chala. Now you understand, right? Now my scenario is like, bro. See, listen carefully. My scenario is like admins, development, as well as testing group should have access to all those things, but it should become only these two needs to edit by developers, and these three things needs to get edited to admins, and these two should needs to edited to testers. How will you do that?
First read.
Huh? Read అయిపోయింది కదా.
రీడ్ అన్నిటికీ పెట్టేసి అంటే కనిపించడానికి రీడ్ పెట్టేసి తర్వాత వీళ్ళకి ఒక్కొక్కరికి రోల్స్ ఇస్తే అలా వస్తుందా?
అంతే. కరెక్టే. కరెక్ట్ అమ్మా. సో మనం అక్కడ రైట్ ఇచ్చాం కాబట్టి కనపడకుండా చేసింది. అదే రైట్ అదే సారీ
రీడ్ ఇస్తే
రీడ్ ఇచ్చాం కాబట్టి కనపడకుండా అయింది. అదే మనం క్రియేట్ ఇస్తే ఎడిట్ చేయకుండా అవుతాడు కదా. ACLs. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి దీన్ని? రీడ్ ఉన్నదని
క్రియేట్.
So if you want to drag this one, just click on control and drag it, okay? Or else you can also you can also click on shift. Impersonate to Pavitra and check. Will she have access to serial number, customer name, all these things? Yes, she will have, but editing?
No.
No, editing to only these three fields will happen.
Yes.
Okay.
Who is Pavitra, bro? Pavitra is developer. Yeah, correct only, right? Developer కదా. డెవలపర్ కి రెండు ఉన్నాయి. ఇవన్నీ ఏమైనాయి బ్రో? వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్? It's
We
read
can't
only,
edit.
right?
He can't read only.
That means how many ways we can make a field read only?
Highways. Highways.
UI policy is a one way. How to make a field read only? 5 ways. One is read only. Sorry, one is configure dictionary. Another one is
UI policy.
UA
another
policy.
one is
Client.
Client scripts.
data policy. Now
Data policy
ACLs.
ACL.
You know ACLs now. Now you know UI policies. You know configure dictionary. These I mean client script only pending now. Data policy we have done, right? Read only.
Yes.
The only thing left is client script. Okay, we need to bifurcate like this and prepare, bro. That's why you will good understanding over that. So when any of the time, if any developers are saying that to make any field read only, then you need to think like, okay, only we can do read only. Either we can do read only with the help of UI policies. Either we can do read only with the help of client scripts. Either we can do with the help of ACLs. Like that, your brain should go like that. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Now, now see, bro. Then what about the existing records? These are all records, right? These are all the existing records, right? Just
Yes.
open it. But she have access to all these things, bro. For editing as well, he is having. So what I need to do, ma? These are all the existing records, right?
Yes.
What I need to do? You are getting my point. If you, at the
Yeah.
time of creation of new record, it's okay. It is working as expected
It's
only.
working.
Yes.
But what about this? So I want to restrict these records as well, actually, at the time of updation as well. So go here and impersonation. Click on ACL. Let's click on this. Plus creator. తీసేసి edit చేద్దాం. Let's see now. Let's try to impersonate with Pavitra. OnePlus. Now open it. So now it's working as expected again.
Yes.
Okay, creation can have the access, but okay, now it has restricted for creation as well. Okay, అర్థమైందా ఇంకా?
Client option పెడితే existing.
Yeah, now if testing groups Mirzan logs in, what will happen? He will have access to only
Short
Issue description, short description.
right. Now I will show you the taste of using this admin override. Okay, I said admin is also in a minimal role in the name of security admin, right? Security admin is a major role, right? So I will show you that. Now, come on, OnePlus, OnePlus. Yeah, you can see it was already editing. So now everything is in editing mode. Only issue description and short description, he can do it. Now, let's take for example now, I'm ending the impersonator. So actually, what admin can do everything, right? Actually,
Yes.
so he don't have access. I mean, he will have access to everything. He can do whatever he need. Yes or no?
Yes.
ఒకటే కాల్
Yes.
చేస్తున్నా లైన్ లో ఉన్నాడు. కిషోర్ చెప్పండి. 10:30కే పెట్టుకున్నావు బ్రో, నేను తినొద్దా బ్రో? ఏ కంపెనీ? వర్క్స్ ఒకనా? ఓకే వస్తున్నాను, బాయ్. Yeah. So now admin can edit all those things, right? Now I want to restrict a small thing actually. So I want to restrict like admin should not have access to these fields as well. Admin should not have access to these fields as well. Okay, even I'm an admin, I should not edit these fields, these two fields. Okay, so for this one, what we need to do is like we need to go to the here. Hmm. I don't know, sir. Okay, let's try to click on new. Here we are having a listed. Okay. No, I have listed it actually. If you open a short description and the description, open these two. So we are having an option with the name of what? Admin override. Even if he is an admin as well, he should not edit these two. For this one, what we need to do is like we need to remove this and just save it. We need to remove this and just save it. Now admin override also have been removed. And I will be giving, if the customer name no issues, just try to impersonate to Mirzan now. So click on N plus. It is accessible now. Yeah. And what about
Exist.
administration? Oh, this is not the way, I guess. Okay, let's see. Should not have access to all. No, he is having the access now.
Yes.
So admin also we can restrict, but how to tell you? See, okay, 1 second. Or just a minute. So now if you see here, come on, ఎట్లా చెప్పాలి రా భయ్, అట్లా 1 second, 1 plus ఎట్లా చెప్తే అర్థమవుతుందో ఇంకా నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు. So if I'm impersonating to some of the user like Mirzan, go to the 1 plus table. If you see here, security constraints access requested page. Now he can have access to all these things. Perfectly working as expected only. Why? Because the Mirzan should only edit to issue description only. Okay. Now just end the impersonation. Go to the access controls. I will check right now. If it is not working, then I will definitely go with the list edit. List edit. Chalo. So just try to impersonate to. Okay. Let's try to end the impersonation and just try to impersonate with Mirzan. So if I'm impersonating with Mirzan, 1 plus, yeah, he have access to all, but he should not edit in here. Yes, he should edit only this. Perfect. Now, this one also he can edit. Description and the short description as well, right? Short description as well, he can edit. Now you can do it everything. Yeah. And impersonation. Now the administration should not edit it actually. Oh, sorry. 1 plus. If you click on this, only 1 minute is there, bro. He is calling me. Okay, I will tell you tomorrow. Is that okay? Actually, it should not get edited to the this particular user as well. Okay, you're getting my point?
Yes.
Admin, let's try to take the admin override over here and just click on OK. Just make this to false. This time it will work, I guess. Perfect. Now MM impersonation. No, actually he should not edit it. No, he can edit it actually. No, basically he should not have access to edit these records, bro. Okay, now you're getting my point. That is the actual scenario which we need to do it. Even if he's an admin, he should not have access to edit it. Okay, I will tell you tomorrow, bro. Okay.
Okay.